Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9524P. 39,000 miles on this Fusion. It's a one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Magnetic gray in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This Fusion is free of dents or dings. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen My Ford Touch system for navigation, dual zone automatic climate control with heated front seats, radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
For hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB capability. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, power moonroof, control, and HomeLink transmitter door opener. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.